KEMET's FMD and FU0H series are 5.5-volt automotive-grade supercapacitors that operate in a range from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. These supercapacitors are best suited for real-time clock backup or low-current, low-voltage DC holdup in embedded microprocessor systems. The ruggedized design also makes these supercapacitors ideal for defense, aerospace, industrial, and medical applications. FMD 0.33 farad and FU0H 1 farad supercapacitors have a low equivalent series resistance and a proprietary aqueous electrolyte solution that increases operational life. This allows the FMD and FU0H series to deliver the rated voltage at 85 degrees Celsius and 85% humidity for up to 1,000 hours. The FMD series operates up to 4,000 hours at 85 degrees Celsius. KEMET's small-cell supercapacitors feature a high-strength vulcanized rubber bond that ensures high safety against liquid leakage. Both models meet automotive testing protocols for vibration and mechanical shock.